In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Upwork profile link. This is a very handy skill, especially if you're looking to boost your visibility and connect with potential clients more effortlessly. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you need to head over to the Upwork homepage. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing upwork.com into the address bar, or simply clicking your saved bookmark if you have one. Once the homepage loads, you'll find a wealth of information from your job feed to various updates. But for now, we'll focus on accessing your profile. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon, which serves as a gateway to your personal settings and details. This action will reveal a drop-down menu that houses several options related to your account. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Your Profile. By clicking here, you'll be taken directly to your personal Upwork profile page. This page is essentially your digital resume on the platform, showcasing your skills, experiences, and specialties. It's crucial for attracting potential clients, so make sure it's as polished and up-to-date as possible. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Share button. This is your key to distributing your profile more widely. Click on it and you'll see several options appear. Upwork offers you the flexibility to share your profile via email, WhatsApp, or Messenger, catering to the varied preferences of your audience or potential clients. However, for the purpose of this video, let's focus on a more universal option, copying your profile link. Click on Copy Link. This action will copy your unique Upwork profile URL to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need to share it. Now that you have your link copied, you're ready to share it across various platforms. You can include it in the emails you send to clients, add it to your social media profiles, or even insert it into online portfolios. This makes it much simpler for people to view your offerings and learn more about your services. And there you have it. You're all set to share your Upwork profile link efficiently and effectively. The simplicity of accessing and sharing this link can significantly enhance your networking efforts, ensuring that your profile reaches the people who matter most to your professional journey. Remember that frequent sharing is crucial as it keeps you prominent in the minds of potential and existing clients alike. Thanks for watching this guide on how to share your Upwork profile link. We hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials like this. Until next time, happy freelancing.